Oh shit, he gonna get stuck. Ah. Oh, he made it.
Andrew giving everything he's got.
He made it.
And he jumps across the line. When you check it out, Andrew with a 31.05.
They got another one.
All right, our next competitor out. This is the
monster
Ford
trucks back there.
Focus. This thing, absolutely wild.
There are the monster trucks back there.
Check it out. Can't win this track, no problem whatsoever. And with a time of 27.50.
Just like him.
All right, check this out. All right, hear me in the wild minivan.
Uh-oh. Oh, shit. Got stuck.
Talk about playing on a show.
Oh, fuck around and got stuck. Here come the truck.
Jimmy trying to do everything he could to send it. Roseburg, Oregon. What do you think of Jimmy? Can the minivan? He's still going for it. A minute 7:59 for Jeremy. At first glance, it looks like the cleanest vehicle out here.
That car came for full throttle. That one.
All right, here comes Chris. Powered by a 60cc Franklin Stratton engine.
Oh, it did.
Come around using all 28 horsepower.
It's dead.
One more turn left to go. Can he keep it going? .66 for Chris. Jump trucks brought to us by Ernest Auto Sales Inc. Safety Queen. All right. Let's see what one can do for us. Stage up at the line. Coming around. He needs to hear that noise.
The fuck is that?
How about it? Lee has one more turn to go. What a run for Lee! 33.89 seconds. All right, here's Joe with the tallest tough trucking competition. Let's see if it's going to be what it takes. Here we go, halfway through the course as he comes around the backstretch of the tough truck course. Come on, let's cheer him on. Joe's got everything in this last turn. Kim is sideways, and he comes across the line at a time of 37.35.
What?
I think Nathan was riding in there. That was Nathan chilling in the car.
From Backhand Racing.